How to create sub-collections in Shopify. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create sub-collections in Shopify. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, head over to the product section. Next, click on collections, and this will take you to a page showing all the collections you have already created. These are groups of products that help customers find what they're looking for more easily. To create a new one, click on Create Collection. First, give your collection a title. Then, scroll down. To add a product to the collection, click on Browse, and the window will pop up letting you view your current inventory. Select the products you want to include in this new collection, and once you're done, click Add. Click Add, and you can always edit this later if you need to add or remove products. When your products are added, don't forget to click Save. Now, let's set up your navigation menu for easier access. Go to the Content tab, click Menus. To create a new menu, click Create Menu. Give it a name. Click Add Menu Item. Name the label clearly and link to a section. Continue adding all the necessary items, including the new collections you have created. Once you're finished, click Save to apply changes. Then, to organize your collections as sub-collections, simply drag and drop the newly created collection underneath an existing menu item. This will nest it, turning it into a subcategory that appears when the main category is selected. And there you have it. You have created sub-collections in Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.